what's up? It's FatBoy Dan here. Nothing but redneck fishing all year. Fishing videos with all the beer and fun only at FatBoyDanFishing.com. The place for one-of-a-kind type fishing with FatBoy Dan from Indiana. You won't miss a thing. The greatest catches and product reviews. Catch them all with FatBoy Dan fishing videos. Live to fish, fish to live. It's FatBoy Dan Fishing. FatBoyDanFishing.com.
Hey, what up, FatBoy Dan here? Hey, you see my daughter right back over here? Little one right back over there, that's Jasmine, my oldest daughter. Almost 9 years old. She's been bugging me to run the paddle pole. I came in third. My motor still ran, just knocked the ignition loose. But I said, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and let her run it. She can drive the 400 4x4. 2 strokes, she can run that. Trust me, here she is. Huh? No, just straight air. Yeah? Sometimes the tubes get pissed though. That's my little girl right there, the youngest one ever to run in the Derby, set in the mud. Not even 8.5. November 22nd, her birthday. Jay, go! Go! Smack! Smack! Special jobs right there. Debry! It ain't running too good, Justin. Yeah, it ain't running very strong. Oh. Look at that. Hopping it, babe. Hop it. Jay is getting down, ain't she? Little girl holding her own, ain't she? Yeah, man. Look at her go! Yeah! Yeah, JJ! Go, Jay! Tonka! 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 Keep it down, yeah! Oh, Jay! Keep it going! Keep it going, Jay! Keep going, Jay! Keep that dipper! That's alright, that's alright. I'm about to call James. He's coming back from Illinois. Yeah! What's that? I'm going to call James. Oh, yeah. He's coming back from Illinois. Oh, is he? Illinois sells beer. Yeah, I got a little bit. You got your cell phone on you, right? Hey, I'm going to call James. Look at Jay. Look at Jay. Yeah! Oh, look, she left the leg. You see that? You see that? She left the leg. Yeah! Little bird on the track. She knows, man. Woo! Sit down, shit, boy. She was like bang, bang, bang. Come on, baby. Forward, all the way, all the way. Got it, oh boy. She does. J-Bird, all the way down. Yeah. I'm gonna call Liz and say, hey, your baby girl's running 4th place right now. She's got a trophy! She's got a trophy! She's got a trophy! Jane's 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 got Hey, I gotta go! Jane's got a trophy! Jasmine in 3rd place! Hey, I'll talk to you later, okay? What? She's the youngest one out here! She's in 3rd place, I'm telling you! She's in 3rd place! Hey, I'm out of here. I'll call you back in a little bit, okay? Bye. She's in 3rd, bro! She's in 3rd! J-Bird! Alright. Hey, what up, FatBoy down here? Hey, the race is over. I got 3rd place in the men's division. Little Justin over here got 2nd. Dad got 1st. And you know what? Y'all see the title cloth? No, I can only speak, man. I can't speak for the action that took place. The youngest girl today that ran in it, Chaz, my little girl right here,
Team killers.
right here, 8.5 years old, man, 1st place, representing Team Talking Boy. She did it, man, didn't she? It just makes us want to cry, man. 8.5 years old, the youngest ever to run in it. She's tired. Look at her, she's tired. She's exhausted. She's got a cut on her hand. We're doing things. We're representing Terre Haute right here to the fullest. Y'all ain't been out to the Derby. Y'all need to get out here. If a little 8.5-year-old girl can run in the Power Club and take 1st, you can too. And if FatBoy Dan can run in the Derby and take 3rd, you can too. So come on, bring out the next Derby, September 27th before the Apple Festival. That's right. J-Bird, you want to talk? J-Bird's out. I'm telling you, it's a lot exhausting. We're just going to keep doing what we're doing. Now we're going to go to the Gladiator. I got a swollen up leg. I'm going to do it. $10, winner takes all. Look at that. Look at that. She got a bigger trophy than me. Man. Wow. Jay, what are you doing, Jay? She got 1st place. I've only got 2nd. She's outdoing me now. I got 2nd and 3rd. Bird, you ready for the next one? I got 1st, 2 seconds, and 5th. Well, here, Justin. Banging shit ain't what. We need out here having fun. We're out. FatBoyDamnFishing.com. Make sure you log in. FatBoyDamnFishing.com. That's one more time. FatBoyDamnFishing.com. Home of the Redneck Derby videos. Home of the 8.5-year-old banging stuff. Look, look, we got 2nd place over there winning. Look, she over there hiding. 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 2nd place. We're going to sit here represent. We're going to go into Gladiator. We're out. FatBoy Dan signing off.
Hey, you, what's up? It's FatBoy Dan here. Nothing but redneck fishing all year. Fishing videos with all the beer and fun only at FatBoyDanFishing.com. The place for one-of-a-kind type fishing with FatBoy Dan from Indiana. You won't miss a thing. The greatest catches and product reviews. Catch them all with FatBoy Dan fishing videos. Live to fish, fish to live. It's FatBoy Dan Fishing. FatBoyDanFishing.com.